She's the mother of the lab assistant that was killed in the fire here almost 20 years ago. It's none of my business.
Go ahead. What?
Does Walter know? She wants to see him.